Emily, rub your hands together. Like this. Wash your hands, please. Wash your hands. Let me give you some more soap. Here. Okay, now rub your hands together. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, now put them under the water. Let's rinse. Good girl. Always have to wash hands. We have to be real good about washing hands. Especially with all those germs. You want more soap? Okay, rub your hands together. Rub them together. And then, good girl. You're standing on your step stool. Okay, let's rinse. You're taking too long here. We got paid for all this water, you know? Spaghetti face girl. No more soap. We're all done. Okay? All done. Okay? Yeah, we want to dry hands? Okay, say please. Say thank you. Say thank you. Emily, say thank you. Pull yours. Oh, very good. Now, you're going to get down. Mama help you get down, but you don't like to get help? Okay, good job.